another beautiful day in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Today we're going to be showing you around our apartment in a building called Platinum Suites. And first of all, we are on the rooftop pool and look at this stunning view. You can see the Petronas Twin Towers over there, but it's a little bit obstructed by this building, but further over there you get a really sick view. And yeah, this is pretty iconic, isn't it?
It's pretty sick, yeah. As we go through the video, we'll try and show you what you get for your money. And you can let us know in the comments what you think, whether it's worth it, whether it's too expensive. Would you stay somewhere like this, or would you go for something a bit cheaper, a bit more luxurious? We'll start from the bottom, like the lobby, and we'll work our way up, won't we?
We shall indeed. See ya!
So as you can see, the bottom of the hotel is pretty bloody manic, because everyone's trying to organise taxis to come and go to the airport.
It's a super busy building though.
It is, yeah. We thought that when we first turned out, didn't we?
Yeah, there's this building and then this building, but
that
it's
one over
all
there.
like the same big complex.
Valet services, and also a taxi counter. They're pretty well priced, the taxi counter. We've used them, we can negotiate with them. I'm not much of a haggler, to be fair. I get a bit intimidated, so I don't normally bother. But yeah, you can just get grabbed from out there as well. Here's the lobby. It is huge in here though, isn't it? Oh, there's a little cafe. Didn't even know that was there.
So cute.
There's a reception.
Like
We booked through booking.com, so we haven't actually had too much to do with these guys. I think actually people do live here, and also it's a hotel at the same time.
Yeah, there's so many rooms. I mean, this is from 30 to 50. The other side is from 9 to 29. And then you have like 2 penthouses, I assume. Both have access to the rooftop pool and restaurant and bar.
And there's people that take your luggage as well, which is pretty nice.
Yeah. It's called Deep Blue, isn't it?
Deep Blue, the restaurant bar.
And then I guess there's a restaurant as well called Tangerine. I assume it's a restaurant, but yeah, there was like a sign for it outside as well. We haven't seen that yet.
But we're going to check that out.
We are indeed.
Yeah. And here we are, Platinum Suites, floor 32, D01. Here's Sabrina having a bit of a tidy up before we take you guys around.
I mean, yeah, we have made ourselves at home, haven't we?
We have, yeah. So yeah, Sabrina's doing a bit of painting. It's what she does on her spare time when we're travelling and stuff like that. Yeah, excuse the mess, but look at this unbelievable view. Absolutely unbelievable. When the guy showed us around the hotel, he first showed us the view. You've obviously got this tower. If there's any Malaysians watching, please tell me what this tower is, and also this one. I think this one is the biggest one in Malaysia, but hopefully someone can confirm in the comments. 4 points over there. I don't think they're open yet. And yeah, you can see how tall the building is. There's a swimming pool up there. That's the other building. But yeah, beautiful view. Metro just over there. We learned how to use a metro for the first time the other day, and it's pretty efficient, pretty good. Oven, microwave thingy bobby. Huge bloody fridge. Completely barren. We're only here for 2 days, aren't we? So.
Yeah, they gave us like 3 bottles of like complimentary water as well. There is a washing machine and dryer, which we have definitely used, because when we got here, basically all of our clothes were dirty.
Sweaty.
We didn't have time to do laundry in Singapore, but yeah, they have like the fabric conditioner and powder.
And an umbrella.
And oh yeah, that would have been handy the other day. I mean, we didn't get caught in the rain, but it did rain a lot.
Nice kitchen, super spacious.
Yeah, we have like all the utensils as well.
Decent TV.
Yeah, it's a smart TV.
Looks a bit small in comparison to the rest of the of the building, doesn't it?
This is just huge. You could like run around in here.
I know.
I mean, the place in Singapore was literally probably the size of our bathroom. So it is an upgrade.
And this is the bathroom here. So yeah, our place in Singapore. We were going to do a tour of that, but really there was no point, because it would simply have just been me stood here like this telling you the price of how much it was, how small it was, and how uncomfortable the bed was.
And not being able to see the floor because our suitcases took up the whole space.
Obviously like a little laundry walk-in wardrobe.
Here's the fires area.
And then yeah, nice bed. This bed's actually really comfy, one of the comfiest ones we've slept in a long time.
And the sheets smell like bubble gum.
They do.
Don't they?
And then literally, yeah, we haven't even tested this, but you can actually just shut the entire bedroom off.
Some privacy.
Which is pretty cool. Wow, look at that.
That is
Pretty nuts.
And then you got your long
Floor to ceiling windows, yeah.
I mean, it's just incredible. At night time, everything's lit up. That building over there is usually
green.
It was green when we first got here. It was pink yesterday.
You can also see the Peronas Towers from the pool.
Yeah, from the very rooftop, because we're on floor 30, 32 actually. And we have to show you the pool. And there's a gym. I don't know if Anthony mentioned that.
No.
But exciting stuff.
So guys, we're now en route to the pool. This will actually be our first impressions as well, because we haven't actually been in the pool yet. We went up to the roof very briefly the other night, but
it was dark as well.
It was dark and we were kicked off because they were closing. So I forgot the key. Kicked out of the off the rooftop the other day because it was closing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it closes at 10 to 10.
Yeah. So first impressions of the pool, first impressions of the restaurant / bar, and first impressions of the view. Coming right bloody up, mate.
Here we go.
Hello. Dana.
Yeah, Diana. Here we are. Scan the door.
Thank you.
Thank you, mate.
Okay.
Wow.
Take shower first?
Yeah, this way. Perfect. Thank you. Oh dear. What a gorgeous view.
I know, right? Oh, you can't see the building yet, the Peronas building.
You can if you go over there.
I know, but just from this angle.
Oh no, you can't.
Oh, right, so yeah, this isn't open.
So this is the restaurant.
Oh.
I think it looks either like it's shut for maintenance because they did kick us off the roof the other day at 10, but that's supposed to be open till 2. So it's either closed for maintenance temporarily or, I don't know, it's weird. Unless that's it in there, which it might be. There is that as well. I don't know, well there we go.
Oh, it's got ingredients.
There are questions unanswered then, aren't there?
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it though. Potentially.
Oh well, you just have to book it here yourself, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
Platinum
do it
Suites by
yourself.
City Box on booking.com. And there's the Petronas Towers. And the other 2 buildings.
I know, the view here is actually crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Over there is like so many less buildings, like skyscrapers, isn't there? So high up, aren't we?
It is, yeah. Stupid. And there's a gym in there, guys, as well. The Tangerine is a restaurant.
Wow, look how many awards they've won.
I know. Look how beautiful that is. Look at how that view must be like on the other side. Very, very swanky, isn't it? Don't you think?
So cool.
Finally getting to see all this. I don't know if this is open, is it? It sounds like it's open. Oh, it is open. What's that actual? It's like a club.
Well, they do tapas.
I know, 250 bloody wine buffet.
Ooh.
That's right up your alleyway, isn't it? You're not
Love
getting
a wine
sloshed on
buffet.
wine. 2 for 1 buffet. 2 for 1 on Carlsberg. Bargain. Menu's quite diverse, westernish.
And you got
Land,
your
sea,
jig popcorn karage.
Yeah, so 6 PM, 2 AM.
Wow.
Nice.
Good to know. Yeah, the view does look incredible.
Yeah, there we are.
Okay.
Oh, that's not. I thought it was going to be a lot deeper.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So cool. I don't think we've ever been in a pool this high before,
No,
have we?
never. This is a first for sure.
Very much is.
Busy old pool though, isn't it?
It is busy.
You can't really blame it though, can you?
No, I mean, I think it's one of the highlights of staying at this place, to be honest.
Pool excursion. is done.
It's complete. Ooh, it's cold.
What do you think of the room? What do you think of the pool?
Pool was amazing. So nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It would be nice if it was sunnier though, a bit earlier in the day, but really nice pool, isn't it?
Lovely.
We could have had a deep end as well, but it's all the same
I think it is, yeah, pretty much.
level throughout.
Yeah. The total price of our stay for 3 nights is 1,050 ringgit. I think it figured out each night to be around 350. I personally think it's really good value for everything you get. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. Let us know what you think of the apartment in the comments, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye guys. Bye bye from Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, that's where we are.
Yeah.